Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Game Over LED light. So let's begin the video. So here is the box. So this is not the actual box of the Game Over light. Actually the person who shipped me put it in this box. The actual box should be inside it. So let's open the outer box first. Here we go, and here inside we can see the real light, and here it is. So here is our Game Over LED light. So it has a couple of features that you don't know. First of all, it can change its colors. That's the first thing that is really cool. You can change the color according to your mode, and the main thing is that it is reactive to your sound. So whenever, like say you're live streaming, and if you're going to have some moment where you scream or something like that, then the light will change by itself. So this is something cool. So on the side here you can see, and on the back as well. So it is a 8-bit light, and it has a micro USB input and max rated 5 watt DC 500 milliampere. So it means that you can use any of your mobile chargers that you use to mobile your charge and connect it to power this light. So the good thing is that it doesn't have batteries, so less batteries are better. So here is the back. Let's open and let's see inside. So for me, I'm going to use it at the background of my studios just to add some more mood. And here it is. So here we have a booklet and its wire as well, and that's all. So putting that aside, let's first see this. So here we have Game Over light. Here it comes with the micro USB cable, and here it's show you how you can connect it. So that's all color pushing, etc, etc. And here you can see on the back side its functions. A is for micro USB input, 5 volt 500 milliampere, and that's all. So here we have the actual USB cable as well, the micro USB to USB cable. So here you can see you got some decent amount of length, and here are your connectors if the camera can focus on it. Putting that aside, and here is our actual Game Over light. So this is pretty light, made of fully plastic, and here is the light as you can see, which is looking really cool. So it will look really cool if you're a gaming live streamer or something else. If you have it on your table, then it will really look cool. On the back side we got our A and B buttons, our charging cable. On the bottom we got this, I would say, a Minecraft look with these boxes, or a Lego look, and that's all. So why don't we just power it on and let's see. So putting it like here I have my charger. I'm going to connect it. Here is our usual power supply. We're going to insert it, and we're going to insert the cable in. We're going to press on the A button, and let's see. And here I think it is changing its color, so let me reduce the main light. And now you can see, so you can see when I press the A function button, you can see that the light colors are changing by themselves. So it's giving different colors like a gradient. So it's really cool when it is running on the background whenever you're live streaming, etc. So here, in order to go to the other mode where it reacts to your sound, it's very simple. On the back you got the A and B buttons. The B button is to turn off the light, and in order to go to the other mode, you just need to press the A button 2 times, and now it's going to react to your sound or something like that. If let's say if I knock here, you can see that the light is reacting. So whenever you're playing a game and get excited, the colors will change according to it when you're screaming or louding, etc. So in order to turn off the light, you can just simply press the B button and the light will be turned off. And to turn on again, all you need to do is to press the A button, and the light will come back to its normal mode, which is it is changing its color continuously. So that, guys, that's all for this Game Over light unboxing video. I hope you like this video. This light is best for streamers, either they are on Twitch or YouTube, who are especially doing gaming videos. I'm just going to use it as a background on my wall because the wall is really empty in the background. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of question, regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.